Would you like to view and use two websites at the same time without constantly switching back and forth between tabs? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Split View in LibreWolf, a handy feature that lets you display and interact with two websites side by side in the same browser window. There are two main ways to create a split view, and I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can choose whichever one works best for your workflow. Open LibreWolf and make sure you have at least one tab open. Then right-click on the tab you want to use and select Add Split View. Once you do that, the browser will divide the window into two separate panels. On each side, you can open a website by clicking a tab, choosing one of your shortcuts, or manually entering a URL into the address bar. This makes it easy to compare pages, read information while taking notes, monitor two sites at once, or multitask without constantly switching between tabs. Now let's look at the second method, which is especially useful when you already have multiple tabs open and want to combine two existing pages into a split view. Hold down the Ctrl key and select two different tabs. Then right-click on one of them and choose Open in Split View. LibreWolf will place those two selected tabs side by side in the same window. This is particularly helpful if you're already working with specific pages and want to quickly arrange them into a split layout without opening them again. If you want to change the order of the two pages, simply right-click on one of the tabs and select Reverse Tabs. This will instantly swap the left and right sides, allowing you to organize the layout however you prefer. When you're done using Split View, you can exit it by right-clicking again and selecting Separate Split View. This will return the tabs to their normal layout and place them back into standard single-tab mode. If this guide helped you learn how to use Split View in LibreWolf, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more browser tutorials. You can also explore the channel for additional LibreWolf guides covering settings, customization options, privacy features, and useful tips and tricks to help you get even more out of the browser.